Can I get your hands, please? So I'm gonna pick 3 smaller petals on. Oh, I thought that I was going to, but we're gonna have to do the top coat first. So this is top coat. What it does, the purpose of a top coat, of course, we wanna coat all of them to make sure they are nice and sealed, shiny for weeks to come. And then also the 40 gels, you are doing it right on the top of the top coat, no wipe top. It was what it does, it help adhere your 40 gels petal so well, and it'll keep it there for weeks. All right, go ahead and cure. And then we're gonna do 3 petals. So I'm gonna get 3 of them out here when I'm waiting for the nails to be clear. So I'm gonna get 3 smaller beads. I'm doing it smaller because the fingernails is smaller this time, like we did like almond short. So we're gonna keep it nice and really simple. I'm gonna add some of the emerald, you see. And this petal is gonna be really small, so I'm gonna do, this is about a size of like, I would say, you think a size of like sesame seeds?
Very, very tiny.
Tiny?
You don't need that much.
Like this one is, I would say it compared to the SS is about like SS6 of crystal. SS6 is small. But you know, hey, if you want your petal to be bigger, add the bigger. But the great about 40 gel, you can able to remove it if you don't want your bead to be bigger, or if you want the bead to be bigger and fuller, you can add some more 40 gel so it's not dry until you are going to cure. And here's a great benefit about it. Either your weather is going to be cold or hot, it will not affecting at all. It's not going to runny, or it's not too dry, too wet for you. So then that way you can able to have 100% of control what you want. So I'm gonna do like 3 petals. Can I see that hand, please? Can we showing everyone? We're gonna do this simple 3 petals.
And these these are almond short. If you want stiletto, it's gonna be a lot more pointy.
Yep, we have the almonds, we have stiletto, and we have the coffin. I'm gonna try to get this one right there. So I'm gonna do like a 3 triangle. Okay. So cute and dying. Okay. Where am I?
Right, that's good.
All right, so only you need to do, you don't need nothing. No alcohol, no acetone, or even water. Just only you need is the magic one right on my hands right here is the 3D brush. So one end you can use it for is acrylics, like 3D. And then this end is for your 40 gel, your 3D gels, 40 gels, your 5D gels, and your omega gels. So I think I'm gonna take this one off for just a second because you want maybe smaller or different spot. So press it down, spread it to the right, to the left. And I love it because you can do like all 3-4 petals at once. So now a lot of you were asking. All right, so I'm gonna get this one right here first. Because see now I'm gonna in this angle of the nails. Okay, press it down and use a tip. Okay. So a lot of you asking, how can you turn, it's simple it is, you just turn the client's hand like this. That's how you turn the client's hand instead of like working your finger or your arm like this. You don't want to do that. You just turn, ask the client to just flip their hands like completely upside down. Can you see?
It's hard because it's really high.
Yes, I know. We just like try to, but then that's just how you work for your clients. So get yourself comfortable when you're doing your clients and ask the client to just adjusting their fingers. So then you don't have to twist your arm because it's hard when you work and twist your arms and you can't. So turn like this. A lot of you, when I did the swatch demos and tutorial, a lot of you like, how are you getting able to like doing the other side? Ask the client to turn. That is how I do for years and years, and it helped so much. So then you can be still in the same precision and still able to perform beautiful work. So do the same thing, you know, press down to the left, to the right, and then using the tip, you can just really like gentle. You don't have to go really aggressive. Okay, and let me see. Oh, this one looks good. Maybe I'll stop it right here. I could do another one, but it looks like a lot. All right, so I'm gonna take advantage from the 4D gel. It's still like not dry yet. I am going to pick a little bit of the condensed glue gels and place right in the center. And then it's right there. And don't forget the after condensed glue gels will be the no wipe top. Can I see that? Floating right on the top. So when you're done, after you're done curing, you are done. So I'm gonna use a little metal charms from the kits. Place it right there and give it a good like no pressure. Okay. And getting some beads. I'm just gonna find the beads here. It's okay. Here. I'm using other end and give it like kind of anchor it down to make sure that it's like right there. So now your 4D gel is still not dry. So if just in case you all need to like, oh, I want my petals to a little bit longer, you can able to adjusting it and do so. Or if you want your petal to be like rounded like this, you can able to tape it in and then round it the shape. However you want your petals, this is like so limitless of what you can create with the Glitz 4D gel. The consistency is so beautiful, so easy to work with. So it's not like wet, it's not like mushy at all. It's so easy to control. All right, so phone cure 60 seconds for the 4D gels.